What's up? I'm Brian, and this is CBOs. And today we're prepping to paint it. First thing we gotta do is circle the bad spots. The way that we find dents is we look off the light reflection and see if there's any dents on it.
All right. You see any down through there, bud? So you look down the side, just a piece.
Yeah.
One there. Very good. Yep. There you go. We got that one circled. Where's another one?
I know that one's still there, but it's kind of hard.
That's all right. We'll find it.
Okay, let's see.
See another one? There you
This
go.
one is seeable.
Very good. So another good way to really tell, just in case that the light is messing with you, is you can take your less dominant hand. You know what that means, Brian? The hand that you don't use the most. Okay? So like, what hand do you write with? You write with your right hand. So what you could do is use your left hand, and that'll be able to tell you where some of the dents are as well. So if you take your left hand and feel across there, you can really feel the dent.
Look right here.
Right,
You can
but
see that one, though.
exactly, you can see it. So go ahead and circle that one. Okay. And then looking down it, some of them are kind of hard to see.
Yeah.
But if you take your left hand, your less dominant hand, and rub it across there,
Right here.
you feel that one? There you go, see? And then obviously that one, you can see that one,
Feel this one.
right? And then where's there another one at? So you can see that one a little bit?
You can feel that
You can
one,
feel it
but
with your
you
left
can't
hand,
see
can't
it.
you? There you go. It's pretty neat, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah? So Brian's got quite a few circled here. We got one there, pretty bad spot down there. Just a couple little odds and ends dents across this bed here. It's got to be fixed. This is no big deal. This body's in tremendous shape. It's in such good shape for a 93 and as many miles are on it. So
This entire thing is stock.
yeah, everything is stock. Yeah, since Brian said that, that reminds me. So, as you know, we're rebuilding the engine on it. And we pulled the fuel filter off. And let's see. And here, let's try again. Anyway, that says Toyota on it, right there. Had the stock fuel filter in it.
Yeah.
Well, no wonder it ran like crap, huh?
We're gonna start with something simple. We're gonna take out these marker lights, and we're gonna take off the grill, and that would make it easier to paint.
Okay, so we are taking off the grill, right? That's the goal here. Well, in order to get the grill off, you have to take the valance and the bumper off because there's some clips up underneath there. The audio got messed up on this video, so I'm just going to narrate what's going on. Brian's a freaking He-Man, and he decided to just rip it off with his bare hands. That's what just happened right there. Now, there's two bolts on each side of the frame rail there. I'm not sure if I show it here or not. But, yeah, so there's the clips on the grill on the bottom, which was behind the bumper there. And so we did end up getting new clips for it. So, yeah, we're going to put all new clips in there. But there's two bolts on each side of the frame rail there. And that's what we got. So here's Brian. He's going to rip off the grill now. Oh, we got wires in here. Those are marker lights. Here we go. What in the world?
He's holding this on.
Hang on, don't do that. Over here. Ow! Don't move. Ow, my babies.
That's not me.
There we go. Oh, I see. Ah, well, that makes perfect sense. Huh, okay. So we're going to draw off. Oh, all right. Set it down back over there, too, please. And now, holy crap, we got a front end tore apart. Just like that. Super easy, wasn't it, Brian?
No. We're gonna start off with scuffing this fender.
What are we going to use to scuff that fender? Do you know?
Water.
We're not going to use water to scuff the fender, you silly. So, what I always do I use a red scuff pad.
Yeah.
Okay? And then,
Oh, that makes sense.
right. And then I always use this. I've used this as long as I can remember that I've been doing body work. It's called Scuff Stuff, and it's a surface prep. And what this does is it's got sand in it. So put your finger in there and rub your finger together. See how it's got sand in it? It's like a little bit of pumice, I guess is what it is. I think that's what it actually is. But so we're going to put a little bit on the finger and a little bit on a red scuff pad, and then we're going to scuff the crap out of it. And it's going to look real nice by the time we get
It's
done.
like sanding almost.
Yeah, that's kind of what it's like, yeah. So start spraying that off, Brian. Don't spray in there too much, and don't spray inside the cab. And we'll just start doing this fender, okay?
Okay.
All right. This stuff that we're putting on right now, it's called Scuff Stuff, and it's got like a wax and grease remover and sand in it all in one. So Brian's got this done. He's gonna spray it off. We're gonna see what it looks like. Just take your hose there, buddy. There you go.
Wow.
Make sure you get around your edges real good. Get everything rinsed off real nice like. There you go, perfect. Keep going. Get your top a little bit. Still got some suds action going on up there. Don't be afraid to get a little bit in there, buddy.
Oh,
There you
this
go.
thing will not come off.
There you go. Let me see it for just a second. We'll get in this edge. Like that. Bam!
That's radical.
What?
That's radical.
So we're going to do every panel just like that. So I got some dents on this one over here. So while Brian was scuffing that up, I came over, kind of ground out the dents just a little bit. We got one there, one here, there, and a little bit there. And this back here, we might be able to kind of work that out, feather that out. So I've got all those. So while Brian's working on the next panel, I am going to start getting some stuff ready for Bondo. How's that sound? Yeah. Well, while Brian's over there scuffing on the other side, I'm going to go ahead and take off the sticker on this here side and see what that's going to consist of. Brian's back here taking the taillights out. We're getting to the point to where we're pretty well ready to start taking them out. He's got this whole side scuffed down real good, and it's showing the dents very well. So we got just a few that we got to fix yet, which is no big deal. So he's getting the taillights out now. We're going to keep on keeping on. How about that?
Screw will not come out.
Yeah, we'll get it. We got to take this here off. And we got to take that off. And they are 10 millimeters. So, you know what that means?
Search for the 10 millimeter.
Yeah, I guess we got to go to the search party to find a 10 millimeter around here. All right, what are you doing here, B?
Taking off the fender bell.
There you go.
Hopefully it's not like my Toyota Supra.
Where there's like
Yeah.
secrets and secrets of different spots. Yeah.
And we just keep forgetting.
Well, ideally, on this, you got one there, one in there, one there, and two over there. And then you got to take off this mud flat bracket here. So everything's 10 millimeter, so it's relatively easy to get to. So yeah, how about that, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna take off this bumper. Transform. Audio. Audio.
It's backward.
Audio.
All right, so ready to take this off? You gotta hold on to it. All right, here we go. Pick it up.
I don't know.
Pick it up. Pick it up. There you go. All right. Hold still. Whoa, hold on right there. Don't move. You're doing great so far. Yep.
You better not move my foot.
Okay. All right. You ready? It's getting ready to come off. You ready?
This is heavy.
Put it down. Pull it out. on. There you go. You got it? Stand up. Stand up. There you go. Okay. All right. Come over here. Let it down with your legs. Don't let it down with your back. Let it down with your legs. Legs. I'm helping you. I'm helping you. There you go. Let it go. There you go. We're going to set this end down first. Okay?
Ow.
All right. Get out of it. Nailed it.
Out of the yacht.
What are you doing? Go. All right, so Brian's getting ready to take off the windshield wipers here, and I'm pretty sure the socket that you have on there is a 14, and that is way too big, so it will not work. So we're gonna have to get a 12. That's a 12. He's gonna take those two off. We're gonna wiggle them off of there, and we're gonna paint these up too a little bit because they're pretty gnarly looking. So why not clean them up and paint them, right?
Okay.
Okay.
I think it broke.
It's not broke, buddy. That's how it's supposed to be. So listen to me. So there are splines. Oh no. Hey, you better get that.
I got it.
So there are splines on here, okay?
What splines are?
Splines. We'll talk about splines here in a second then.
Spline.
So there is a female spline on these and a male spline on those, basically is what it comes down to. So, so we're gonna wiggle that off, all right? And it's gonna be a pain in the butt to take off, I'm sure, on both sides. But we're gonna wiggle those off and I'll show you what a spline is. All right, Brian, you freaking goofball. You're ate up, man. Okay, so if you look on here, there are little tiny splines.
Ooh.
Oh,
Oh, no.
there we go.
Daddy, right.
All right, you see those splines on there? How there's little lines right there to go up and down like that right there?
Yeah.
And then if you look on the inside of that, there are some splines as well. See that?
Yeah.
So this spins, and that's what makes your windshield wipers go up and down. Does that make sense? Oh my God. Does that make sense though?
Yeah.
Right? So that spins right there, and then it has the splines on there, and that's what keeps it in place, and then that's what makes your windshield wiper go up and down. Cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I've been doing a little sanding on the side here, right there where the stripe was, trying to get everything knocked down with that old glue and old nastiness and everything else. I still got a little bit of sanding to do, and I'm gonna take some 320 on a DA and just kind of knock everything down and really feather it out. So. Well, so that's all we're gonna do for this video here. We got this side pretty well ready for Bondo. Got everything scuffed down and sanded down, and we got our dents ground down a little bit, enough to where we can go ahead and do the repair work that needs to be done on those. And this fender's actually perfect. So next thing we're gonna do is look at the engine and what the? We're not Flintstoning this thing, kid.
What do you mean?
You're not gonna be able to push it. It's on jack stands, you dork.
Oh.
So yeah, so we got everything else ready for Bondo, which there's just a little bit on this side as well. Just a couple here and there. So yeah, so that's exciting. So thanks for watching, guys. Brian, you got anything you want to say?
Subscribe and like.
That's right. So next video, we are going to start Bondo and primer, and then getting it masked up and haul to the paint booth. So, and then maybe then you guys will be able to see what color we're painting it. So, what do you think about that?
Maybe the engine? I have the engine.
All right, so thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya. Say bye.
Bye.